ITC Hotels has signed an agreement to buy 100% stake in GHK Hospitality and Infrastructures Limited for an enterprise value of 155 crore rupees. The deal will add the 130-room Welcome Hotel Ahmedabad to its owned hotel portfolio, helping the company strengthen its presence in Ahmedabad hospitality market. The acquisition is expected to be completed in Q2 fiscal year 2027. Waaree Energies subsidiary Waaree Energy Storage Solutions has started operations at its advanced battery energy storage system container manufacturing facility in India with a capacity of 5.15 GWh. The project marks the first step in the company's 20 GWh energy storage manufacturing roadmap, aimed at strengthening India's clean energy ecosystem with locally made battery storage solutions. NHPC has restarted the last 170 megawatt unit of its Teesta-V power station in Sikkim from 16th July 2026 after reconnecting it to the power grid. With this, all three 170 megawatt units of the 510 megawatt plant are now back in commercial operations. The restart restores the plant's full power generation capacity, which is expected to support NHPC's electricity output and revenue.